Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Salim. In today's video, I want to share with you guys 3 ways that will help you to earn funds on Wiko app. Yeah, if this is your first time of hearing about Wiko app, Wiko is a tax and target app. Though the tax is just a way of helping us, but it's more of target, okay? In the tax aspect, it's just for 7 days. After 7 days, then you have to find your way out, okay? So to get started on this app, click the link at my comment section or my description. It will take you to Play Store where you download it. After downloading it, then you join my agency, buy coin and activate your newbie reward. Yeah, 80,000 coins. That is what you need to activate your newbie reward so that you can claim your newbie reward. Yeah, it's 26,000 daily for 7 days. Then after 7 days, then you have to play game, gamble, meet up any target that you want and withdraw. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me show you 3 ways that I've tried that is helping to earn money on Wiko Live. Okay, the first place is on room reward. Okay, let me click my room and enter my room right now. So these things that are flying up and down. So I've entered my room right now and I check mic. So when you click on your gift box, you see I have 670,640 now. Any gift I give to myself here now, I will receive 1% rebate of it. Let's assume I give myself this 600,000 now. I will get reward of 60,000 right now, instantly. Okay. And that 60,000, if you gift it yourself again, you also get 6,000. Have you seen it? So this is mind blowing, right? So that is number one. Number two is on when you click your profile, you see room reward. When you click it, you will see varieties of targets that you can complete and earn reward. When you have 3 million room contribution, they will reward you with 300k. When you have 6 million, they will reward you with 600k. When you have 10 million, they will reward you with 1 million. And you know 1 million is $5. So that is all about. And this room reward, by Monday morning, they will credit you in your wallet. You just go to your wallet and see it. And one thing I love this app is that they are talk and do. Any incentive that they bring, they must fulfill it. Okay, any incentive that you join that they're doing, they must fulfill their promise. That is one thing I love about the app. So any target that you meet here in your room, they will reward you immediately. Okay, the weekly reward coins will be sent to the room wallet at next Monday. Have you seen it? So after the gold coin reward, which is 1,000 gold coins, it can be claimed from and cannot be claimed during the rest of the time. Once the coins are received, they will be sent directly to the owner's wallet. So it will be sent to your wallet. Okay. That's the second one. Then the third one is this gift that you gift yourself. When you come to your reward, you will also claim reward there. Let's go to me and let's go to reward. And I click on my reward now, you will see gift diamond income in the last 7 days. As at today, I am claiming 5,000. And this 5,000, you don't even need to sit on mic to claim it. You just come here and claim it. So once you gift yourself from 200,000 or 200,000, you'll be claiming 2,000, 500,000, you'll be claiming 5,000, 1 million, you'll be claiming 100,000, and so on and so forth, just like that. So, and you don't need to stay on the mic and do anything, okay? Just claim your reward and go. Then, unless you want to play game gamble, then you sit on your mic and do those things. So, once you upgrade, level up, make sure that you're coming here to pick your reward every day for that 7 days that you do that upgrade. Okay, unless you want to claim this 1,000 you're seeing here, then you sit on your mic for 60 minutes, you claim this 1,000. All right, so this is the third way. Yeah, there's even four. Let me show you the fourth one. The fourth one is weekly star. Yeah, weekly star. This one now. So this one now is to make sure this week now you select, come here and check the gifts that they bring out. So when you gift yourself any of these gifts here now, then once you are among the top 10 by Monday morning, they will reward you. The top one will receive 1 million coins, top two 500 coins, and top three 200 coins. Okay, once you gift yourself up to 10 million, each gift has its own ranking. The top 3 gifts on each ranking will receive rewards, which will be automatically sent out every Monday. The top 3 gifts must reach 10 million to reach a reward. So have you seen it? Once you reach 10 million in your in the gift you're gifting yourself for the week, among the weekly stars gift, you'll receive this reward. Okay, so these are the 4 ways that you can earn money, more money on this platform. Yeah, without you even playing game or gambling. With these methods now, you can earn more on Wiko live streaming app. And one thing I love the app is that they are can do whatever they say, they fulfill it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to share this video, like this video, turn on your notification so that whenever I make any upload on this, you'll be among the people that will get notified. Disclaimer, this video is just for educational purpose. Make sure that you make your own research before joining the app. Okay, earnings may vary. Okay, so bear that in mind. All right, thank you guys and remain blessed. Bye bye. See you on my next one.